So in this video, we're going to be comparing Boost Mobile and Spectrum Mobile to find out which one is actually the best. So both of them actually offer budget-friendly options, but which one is actually the best? So let's find out. So Boost Mobile primarily uses the T-Mobile network, though with some coverage on the Sprint network, so it generally has good coverage across the US. And Spectrum Mobile, on the other hand, leverages the Verizon network, known for its strong coverage and reliability. But what about their pricing plans? So Boost Mobile offers a variety of plans, including unlimited data options. So it's known for its affordable prepaid plans and occasional promotions. While Spectrum Mobile offers a range of plans, including unlimited data and family plans, it's often bundled with Spectrum Internet, which allows it to provide significant discounts. And finally, when it comes to data speeds, Boost Mobile can experience slower speeds during peak hours, so especially in areas with high congestion, but Spectrum Mobile generally provides faster speeds than Boost Mobile. This is all due to the Verizon network. So this now brings up the question, which one is actually better? Well, if you're on a tight budget and prioritize affordability, you might want to go with Boost Mobile. But if you prioritize strong network coverage and fast speeds, and if you need robust international roaming, then Spectrum Mobile might be a good choice. So that wraps up our review. I hope you found this insightful, and make sure to let us know what you think in the comments. Then we'll see you on the next one.